through 15. So question 11. Inventions like the compass, the astrolabe, and the caravel ships led to what? And make sure you're reading these carefully. We saw in Kahoot when we were playing that it's European exploration of the oceans. So remember, if I have a compass, that tells me what direction I'm going, north, south, east, or west. The astrolabe helps us figure out where we're going by using the stars. And a ship is what helps me travel the ocean. So if I'm using a ship, I'm definitely traveling the ocean. But if you said the green square, Africans are not the ones exploring, it is the Europeans exploring. If you said the Renaissance kind of led to these things being invented because that idea of humanism and people can change the world, people are inventing new things so that they can do that. But these inventions led to European exploration. Number 12. Which of the following was not a motivation for exploration? We know our 3 G's are God, glory, and gold. The only G on here that is not God, glory, or gold is the blue diamond. That is not one of our 3 G's and not a motivation. Number 13. What was a negative effect of trade in the 15th through 17th centuries? So 2 of the negative things we talked about, one was slavery. The second one was disease. So the yellow circle. Remember, we talked about diseases like smallpox that were taken on the Columbian Exchange, where it wasn't taken on purpose, but it did wipe out whole populations of natives. And if you said the blue diamond, that's something that might be true today, but not during the 15th and 17th century. Number 14. Why was there a need for slaves in the Americas? So the answer was the red triangle. Natives began to die from disease and more labor was needed. So if you said the yellow circle, the natives were freed from forced labor, I would understand where you got that answer from. But remember, they were freed from forced labor because they were dying. Their population had dropped so much, and that's why De la Casa said we need to stop using natives as slaves. And that was all because they were dying from disease. And question 15. What was the main reason why Europeans were attempting to sail to India? So this was from the first day of our exploration notes, and these were in Edpuzzle. And it was to trade for valuable spices and goods. So they might have been trying to find land to conquer, but their main goal was to get things like silk and diamonds, ivory, porcelain, all kinds of goods and spices that they did not have in Europe.